Hey everyone, today, so we're gonna see what I got for the BirchBox Black Friday sale. See you there. Okay, so in this big box, they decided to put for my name, The Great Shelley Michael. Not entirely sure why, but my husband got a giggle out of it. Alright, so we have the shipping of what's in there. So this was part of the Black Friday sale that they had going on for BirchBox. And they come with these little air bubbles. Let's put those down in there. Alright, so the first one, we're just going to pull randomly out, is this little shiny metallic bag. And I don't necessarily see what everything is supposed to be, but we'll just see what's in here. Oh, it has a card in here. That works. Get it out. So this one is the the salon worthy hair kit. It has a list of everything. So yeah, it has a list of everything.
I'm not taking anything out of it, just a quick look video.
Okay. Alright, this one is the Dr. Jart mini kit. This one is the Peter Thomore, I don't know, I can't say that. Anyways, it's a skincare kit. Okay, we got also the Smashbox photo finish kit. Here. We have the hair detox kit. So, and this one you can kind of see through it. You got all those little things in there. And I'll go, of course, unbox everything later. Oh, and this one's really cool. It reminds me of a hat box that you used to get, like, when my grandma was little. So this one here, it does not say what it is, but it will be a mystery for unboxing later. So I will do an unboxing for each of these, and I will show you guys what everything is in just a little while. So I'll see you then in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.